On, go.
So I'd like to thank Bob Leonarduzzi for calling out all the Southsiders for the ALS challenge, and I would like to challenge all of my fellow picketers, my cousin-in-law Cheryl, and Catherine Rose. If Healy has to do it, so do you. Ready? Let's do it. That's not so bad.
Okay, so thanks to Jen Harley for calling out everybody, and I call out any Teamster shop stewards, my daughters Megan and Marlo and their friends, and what the heck, Trudy Woodward and her fellow ILW people.
Okay, let's go, 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 go. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going.
Like his hers was. Oh my God. You lied. That is so cool. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, now let me just let me say it again.
I'm glad we did that. Go ahead,
This is
Victor.
So I'm usually behind the camera. There's someone in front. We're doing an ice bucket challenge. Thanks to Jen Harley. Thank you, Jen, for challenging all the picketers. So I volunteered to be first, and I volunteered to use the biggest bucket. And I also trust Jeff enough that it's not going to be that painful. See, I don't. Just okay. All right. Okay, let's go.
Who did you challenge, Victor?
Let's see who I challenge. I stand up and do this. I challenge the shop stewards, and let's see what. Oh, and I challenge all 35 scabs inside, and we'll leave it that.
Hey, I'm Jeff. I've been nominated to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by Jen Harley. Thank you for that, Jen. I'm going to challenge my brother-in-law Renee Vanderwarp and Anushka Delacourt and their girls, Alora, Kalina, and Ari. So, here we go. Oh, jeez. You know,
It's colder than you think, Jeff. Take a deep breath. It's gonna hurt.
Okay, yeah.
Is it my turn?
Oh.
Okay, my name is Sean Legier. I've been nominated to do the Ice Bucket Challenge by Jen Harley, and I accept the challenge graciously. And myself, I challenge Perry, Richie, and Eric Eng to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. And here I go. Okay. There you go.
Is it my turn?
I've been challenged by my coworker Jen Harley. I turned that challenge around and I challenged my two boys, Glenn and Scott. And I also challenged my sister Patty Horvath and the Richmond Raiders football team.
Hey, Maggie!
Oh my gosh! Okay, turn it off!
I've been challenged by Jen Hurley from the IKEA Pickup line to do this stupid thing.
For ALS, it's
And
not
I
stupid.
want, okay, yes, it's for ALS, so it's not stupid. I want to challenge my daughter Katie, my son Eddie Hyde, and my brother Roy. I'm
Let's
calling
go.
you out.
Let's go.
I've been challenged by Jennifer Hartley to take the Ice Bucket Challenge, and I'd like to turn that challenge around, and I challenge Janet McGowan, Madeline Lowenbrow Frick, and Suzette Harrison
Suzette.
from IKEA Canada, as well as the IKEA co-workers across Canada. Let's do it.
Okay, cool.
I'd like to thank Jen Harley for the ASL Ice Bucket Challenge. I nominate Jeff Watts, Chris Backgard, Alex Salome, and Steve Dredden. Let's go. Turn it off now.
Hi, I'd like to thank Dot Tompkins for nominating me for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I accept. I'd like to nominate Sherry Soulier, my cousin Suzanne, and John Enever. Suzanne Lamoureux and John Enever.
Okay, let's
I
do it.
accept. What happened to fast?
That was fast.
That was fast.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, I want to thank Jen Harley for nominating us picketers out on the line. I haven't been out here much, but I still classify myself as a picketer, so I accept the challenge and I nominate my father, Bill Edgecombe, and my neighbor and friend, Jody Nystrom. Okay.
What about Corey Randalls?
Go ahead.
Want the umbrella? It's not too late.